8th class student exercise 3B. Question number 7. 7 is find the value First part is 38 square minus 37 square. That is identity a square minus b square form. You write the a plus b and a minus b. Question is 38 square minus 37 square of 38 will be a and b will be 37. 38 plus 37 and 38 minus 37. After plus is 75 into 1. After multiply is 75. The first part value is 75. Fourth part is question are 105 and 104. Write the according to identity 105 will be A and 104 will be 4 B. 105 plus 104 other bracket 105 minus 104. After plus 209 first bracket second bracket after minus is 1. After multiply is 209. Fifth part is 141 141 square minus 140 square. Write the identity form. 141 will be A and 140 will be B. Write the according to identity 141 plus 140 141 minus 140. After plus is 281. Second bracket is 1. After multiply 281. Seventh question is complete. Third question. Eighth question is given the formula. Question number 8 is first part is formula is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Write this type a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Questions are 310. 310 square. Write the 310. 300 plus 10. A will be 300 and B will be 10. Write the value A and B. 300 square plus 10 square plus 2 into 300 into 10. Square of 39 with 40. 10 square is 100. After multiply 3 2 ja 6, 6000. After plus 0016 and 9. First part is complete. Second part is number is 508. 508 write 500 plus 8. 500 will be A and 8 will be B. Write the value 500 plus 8 square plus 500 into 2 into 500 into 8. Remove the square. 5 square is 25. 40 with plus 8 64 plus 5 to the 10 88,000. Write the 64 after plus 0 8 2 5. Question numbers 8 is complete. 9 question it is same but identity is -4. Only this and A minus B whole square. Only this change. Question number 9. First part is 196 square. 196. Write 200 minus 4. A will be 200, B will be 4. 200 square plus 4 square minus 2 into 200 into 4. After square 2 to the 4 with 40 plus 16 minus 4 4 the 16 1600. After minus 1600 minus 4 and 8 3 384 16 will be square of the 196. Second third part is 891 square. We may write 900 minus 9 square. A will be 900 and B will be 9. Write the value A and B plus 9 square minus 2 into 900 into 9. 9 square is 81 with 40 plus 81 minus 9 9 81, 81, 2 16, 00 with 81, 00 81, 002, 1 and 6. After minus 1 8 8 3 7 9 7 9 3 8 8 1 will be square of 891. Question number 9 is complete. Question number 10. 10 is first part. Number are given 69 into 71. A minus B and A plus B will be 69. Write the 70 minus 1 and 71. Write the 70 plus 1. Now the A will be 70 and B is equal to 1. Identity is A square minus B square. A will be 70, 70 square minus 1 square. 70 square is 7 7 49 with 2 0 minus 1 after minus 4 8 9 9. Second part given the question 94 and 106. 94 and 106 will 94 write 100 minus 4, 100 minus 6 and 100 plus 6, 106. Will A will be 100 and B will be 6. 100 square minus 6 square. 101 with 4, 4 0, 36. 6 square 36 after minus 4 6 9. 10 question is complete. 11 question. 11 question. First part is 88 into 92. Write the identity form. 88 will be and what will be? 88 write the 90 minus 2 and 92 write 90 plus 2. This time will be A will be 90, B equal to 90 square 2 square. 90 square is 9 square 81 with 2 0 minus 2 square is 4. After minus 89 6. First part is complete. Second part is 78 and 82. 78 write the 180 minus 2 and 82 write 80 plus 2. A will be 80 and B will be 2. After square 64 with 4 0 2 square is 4 minus 3796. Question 11 complete. Thank you.